Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to The Altruist. Today, I've got a crisp and crunchy topic for you: radishes. Yep, those little red gems that often get overlooked at the salad bar. But trust me, after this video, you'll want to eat radishes every single day. First off, did you know radishes are packed with nutrients? They're a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. Just 1 cup of sliced radishes gives you about 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. Plus, they have folate, fiber, and potassium. It's like nature's multivitamin. Okay, let's talk digestion. Radishes are high in fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. If you ever struggle with bloating or constipation, radishes might just be your new best friend. They can help cleanse your system and keep it running efficiently. But wait, there's more. Radishes have natural compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds have antioxidant properties and can help detoxify your liver. A happy liver means a happier you. Plus, their high water content keeps you hydrated and supports kidney function. Now, if you're into managing your weight, radishes are a fantastic low-calorie snack. A whole cup of radishes has roughly 20 calories. So, you can munch away without worrying about those extra pounds. And the best part, they have a satisfying crunch that can curb your cravings. Let's not forget about skin health. The vitamin C and water content in radishes can help keep your skin glowing and hydrated. They also have antibacterial properties that can aid in fighting skin infections. So, you're not just eating for your insides, but for radiant skin too. Alright, here's a fun fact. Radishes come in all sorts of colors and varieties. You've got your classic red, but there are also white, purple, and even black radishes. Each type has its own unique flavor and health benefits, so mix it up and keep your meals exciting. Before I wrap up, I want to challenge you. Try adding radishes to your daily diet for a week and see how you feel. Slice them up in salads, add them to your tacos, or just snack on them raw. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips from The Altruist. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.